Good morning students. Today grade 4th subject social science topic the Indian National Congress. Keywords: the National Congress, nationalism, organization. Again one time, the Indian National Congress, nationalism and organization. They aim able to identify the reasons that lead to the formation of the Indian National Congress in 1885. Rise of nationalism. After the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857, India came under the rule of Queen Victoria, who was the Queen of England. There were strict laws made for the Indians by the British, who had taken all the power to rule India. We have already read in the previous blog how the farmers, weavers, traders and the others suffered at the hands of the British. This led to a lot of discontent among Indians, and people came together to fight for India's freedom. Next, the Indian National Congress, short form INC, an organization known as the Indian National Congress, was formed in 1885 in Mumbai. Its aim was to lead the fight against the British. Alan Octavian Hume was its founder. People like S.N. Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale and many other educated Indians became its members. In the beginning, the INC focused on educating people through speeches and by writing articles. Next, what factors helped to form the INC? How did English education, the railways and post telegraph contribute to this? People were already unhappy with the British rule. However, the British rule also brought some good things to India. They started English education, the postal and telegraph services and the railways. Through English education, educated Indians came to know about how the United States had fought against the British. With the help of post and telegraph, people could now tell everyone about the need to fight against the British. The railways helped them to travel from one place to another, to spread the idea of freedom and nationalism. Love for the country. Some educated Indians and Hume came together with a common goal to form an organization called the Indian National Congress. What was different between the INC and the way the Indian freedom struggle was led during the Sepoy Mutiny? The INC brought together many people to fight for a common cause, unlike the Sepoy Mutiny, where only a few people lead the movement for specific reasons related to the kingdoms. Okay students, thank you. Do the worksheet.